Guys, today we're going to talk about the top 5 questions that I've been asked from my customer when they pick the S10 Plus, S10 or S10e, okay? So today I'm going to share with you and I will give you the answer. How do I give them the feedback, right? So let's get the video going. So the first question I've been asked for is actually, why do I need to pick the S10 over the S10 Plus? What are the difference? The only difference between S10 and S10 Plus is a battery, okay? One is a 4100 milliamps, one is a 3600 milliamps, okay? The other one is the screen size. A lot of people like big screen because, come from the Note to the S10, maybe they like the big screen size. They cannot go back to 6.1. So sometimes people will like the S10 Plus over the S10. And thirdly is the S10 Plus has ceramic white and ceramic black with 512GB or 1TB with 12GB RAM. On the other hand, S10 doesn't have that type of features. And number 4 is the front camera. But the front camera, it doesn't really make a lot of difference. It's because I don't really take selfie. So if you're a person that doesn't like take selfie, you might consider S10. If you don't care about the size, don't care about the ceramic white or black, the S10 is actually will be good for you. Second question I have been asked for quite some time is the S10e worth it? A lot of people ask me this question. I'm not sure why, but I would say yes. It's because if you come from iPhone, if you're an iPhone user, actually it's really good to try it out our Samsung product. If you look at S10e, they're actually pretty similar. But the thing is, S10e have 128GB with 6GB RAM, and in addition, you can put SD card. In addition, they have 2 camera lens and then 1 camera lens at the front. And then in addition, it's water resistant. With your power, you can charge your phone. With your watch, you can put the watch at the back and then share your power to the watch. Number 3, what's the difference between S9 and S10? Okay, so the two biggest difference between the S9 and S10 is the storage, the RAM, because S9 and S10, the S9 is only 4GB RAM and S9 Plus is a 6GB RAM with 64GB both phones, but on the S10 will be 128GB, at least 6GB RAM and plus 8GB RAM for the S10 Plus, okay, or S10 whatever, right? So a lot of people forgot about that. They will consider like, oh, what is the difference? But the RAM, the storage, and extra lens on the S10, there's a huge difference, okay? Number 4 is, it's actually battery. A lot of people ask me about this battery life. So they are so scared that, oh, they drink pretty fast whatsoever, right? So no, this battery life is actually really good, okay? You can use like up to like 10 hours without any charge. And surprisingly, if you reach around 30% or lower, you will realize that the battery doesn't go down that fast. Somehow this phone, when they reach around 30% or lower, it's really hard for them to die. And it's really good for some people out there when they concern about the battery, alright? So number 5 is, a lot of people ask me, should I, or should the customer upgrade from the Note 9 to S10 Plus? A lot of people ask me that because I think the Note 9, there's a lot of people bought that phone, right? So I can tell you right now, if you are not camera person, this 3 camera, if you're not camera person, do not upgrade to S10 Plus. You don't need it. If you are a camera person, I highly suggest you try the S10 Plus rather than the Note 9, okay? But somehow, you have to sell your phone, okay? If someone give you a good price, sell it and try the S10 Plus, okay? I know there's no S Pen. If you're an S Pen person, you should know that S Pen is very useful. If you are not a camera person, do not even try to think about get the S10 Plus because it's newer. It's not newer. Note 9 is still a better phone unless you got someone out there willing to buy your phone with a good price, alright? Do not switch to S10 Plus if you are not camera person, alright? These are the top 5 questions I have been asked when I'm working in Samsung store, alright? And these are the answers that I give them. And a lot of people, at the end of the day, they will get the white color S10 Plus or S10. It's very popular, especially in Canada. And right now there's only less than 4 days left, and there's deal going on, there's discount, there's trade-in value, and you can use a SBC card to get 10% off extra as well. So you can get the phone very low price. All right, so do not miss out that discount. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. All right, bye bye, peace out.